All right, I want to thank you for downloading the free report that I made for you, and I hope that you found it to be very valuable. I want to introduce myself. My name is Andrew Grecki. I'm a physical therapist, and I'm a low back pain and sciatica specialist here in Traverse City, Michigan. And before you get your report here in a few minutes in your email, I just wanted to let you know that we have something else coming up soon that may be of interest to you. We're having a low back pain and sciatica workshop right here in Traverse City, Michigan, where we're going to be talking about all kinds of things related to low back pain, and we're going to be giving away all kinds of stuff. Specifically for everybody that attends, I'm going to be giving a copy of the book I wrote called The Truth About Low Back Pain, The Hidden Culprits. That's going to be yours for free for showing up to the event. And we're going to cap this event at 65 people, and we've had 6 of them so far, and they've all filled up. And we're going to be talking about things like the top 3 types of low back pain and the top 3 causes of low back pain, which are very different. We're going to cover things like x-rays and MRIs. We're going to be talking about the number one biggest mistake that people with sciatica sufferers go through. That's a really, really interesting topic to talk about. I'm going to share my story as a physical therapist, but also as a back pain sufferer. I've gone through over a year of sciatica and disc herniation and went through all the treatments that are available, including surgery, and I'm going to share my story with you and give you that information and tell you how it went from my perspective. And really it's going to be a day for us to answer any questions that you may have. So we spend as much time as needed during, and then afterwards you have at least 3 physical therapists who are low back pain specialists on site to help guide you and to help answer any questions you might have. So hope that you can think about that event. If you want to click the button right below this video, we'd love to have you register. You can learn more about it by clicking as well. And again, thanks for listening.